Today, I'm going to show you how to model a fidget spinner in Blender. Press Shift-A and add a mesh circle. In the Settings panel, set the number of vertices to 6. Switch to Top View by pressing numpad 7. Enter Edit Mode, Tab, press F to fill the circle and create a face, then press I to inset the face slightly. Turn on Wireframe mode. Duplicate the inset face and move it outward to form one arm of the fidget spinner. Use G to grab and position the arm symmetrically. Repeat this process 3 times, one by one, like this. Use M to merge the vertices at the center, or use Merge by Distance to connect the arms to the central body. Delete any unnecessary faces, X, and refine the overall shape. Go to Object Mode, right-click, and choose Set Origin to Geometry. Return to Edit Mode, select all faces, and press E to extrude, giving the spinner some thickness. Apply a subdivision surface modifier, Control 3, to smooth the edges. Right-click and choose Shade Smooth to further refine the surface. Next, press Shift-A and add a mesh cylinder. Scale it down, S, and adjust it so it fits inside the holes of the spinner. Select the spinner and press H to hide it. Select the cylinder and enter Edit Mode. Inset the top and bottom faces using I, then delete the inset faces. Use Bridge Edge Loops to create the hole for the bearing and scale it along the Z-axis. Add a bevel modifier and a subdivision surface modifier to round the edges of the bearing. Press Alt-H to show all objects. Use Alt-D to create linked duplicates of the bearing and place them in the other arms of the spinner. Create another cylinder for the central cap. Scale and adjust it to be slightly larger than the bearing hole. Hide the spinner again, H. Add loop cuts using Control-R, then use Alt-E, extrude along normals, to create the characteristic cap shape. Add a bevel modifier and a subdivision surface modifier to round the edges. Press Alt-H to show all objects. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Blender tips. Thank you for watching.